This presentation is a practical breakdown for small business owners and solopreneurs, even big business owners that need a funnel but do not know how to go about it. I'll show you the clear difference between growth and burnout. Now, let's start with the traditional sales tactics, the one that everybody knows, where you are manually messaging DMs, you are manually replying to people's inquiries one after the other, which means if you are not online, your business stalls. This leads you to think that getting an assistant is the way to go about it. But is it really? Some assistants are also business killers because they do not know how to engage with clients. They do not know how to pass across your business information efficiently. Number two, another problem that we have is the follow-up system, where there is no follow-up system for prospect that says, I'll get back to you. This prospect disappear forever because there's no automated reminder, there's no value sequence that will keep them warm and interested. There's no way to track them. There's no way to keep reminding them about that thing they initially wanted to buy. So therefore, you now lose lead, you lose opportunities. There are people that have showed interest in your products, but because you cannot attend to everything, you are just a human being, you might forget about them and then they are lost. You did not capture them, you don't have a system to capture them, you don't have a system to nurture them. These things are the problems with traditional sales tactics. You also have inconsistent monthly revenue because you don't know the exact points in your business to keep tweaking to get the best out of it. This leads to overwhelm and burnout because you're doing everything but you're not seeing the results. This is the reality for many small business owners, not because they are not hardworking, but because they are doing everything manually. Alright, so who is this sales funnel presentation for exactly? It's for small business owners that run their own business, for coaches, consultants, creatives, people that solve problems for people. It might be money problem, health problem, mindset. People that need a funnel that will filter, educate, pre-qualify clients before this client even meets you. Real estate professionals, agents, people that post things on WhatsApp and then the leads just go cold after the first message. Online product sellers, you have an online store but your traffic is not consistent. You sell via DMs, you advertise on TikTok, but somehow you have people saying I'll get back to you and you forget about them or they forget about you. Then anyone that's tired of starting from scratch every day, you want your business to grow without you always being online, then this is for you, because you want a funnel that will capture leads for you, deliver value for you, and it might even help you close the sale while you focus on bigger things. Okay, I'm going to make a comparison between a business owner who has no funnel and the other one who has a funnel. So stay tuned. This business owner is working harder, but he's not growing. That is the one without a funnel. These are his activities. He is constantly chasing leads. He's manually replying to every message. He's inconsistent with his monthly revenue. He cannot even tell you how much revenue he would have this month. And before you tell me that it's not possible to know how much revenue, I'll tell you this. If you have a system whereby 1,000 people are coming to your DM, it's easy for you to say at least 10% of those people would convert to a sale. But with 1,000 people coming to your DM, you alone might not be able to reply to them individually. However, if you have a system that replies to them individually, it's easier to now say, I want to focus on bringing 1,000 people. My system qualifies people, remove the uninterested people, remove the time wasters, and bring me people that are really for my business. You see how it is possible to get your income revenue or your monthly revenue sorted out. Now, no follow-up system. Without a funnel, you probably don't have a system. You might be doing follow-up, but you don't have a system that can go over and over again. Then you now begin to feel burnt out because you are doing everything by yourself. It's not easy. Business itself is not easy. Then you now put it together with trying to follow people that are not interested, people that are stressing you, when a system can do all these things for you without lifting your hands. Okay, so do you see yourself in any of these examples? If so, it is not because you're doing something wrong, it's because you're missing a system. Now look at the kind of system I'm talking about. When you use a funnel, you're working smarter and you can be selling consistently because You capture leads automatically, you're sending automated follow-ups, you're qualifying prospects without DM. You're not even doing it by yourself. You have systems in place. Now with the advent of AI, it has made it much more easier. You close sales with confidence because when someone books, someone can even be buying without you being involved if you set up the system. I set up system for people and I see this happen all the time. But good news, you can do all these things by yourself without paying anybody a dime. Now, for this business owner using a funnel, he's not chasing people. The right people are coming to him through a simple system that works while he rests. You might wonder, what is he now doing in the business? He's spending money in getting the attention, and his system does every other thing for him. All right. Now, what is a funnel really? A funnel is a systemized approach to getting a customer, a paying customer, from the lead till he becomes a paying customer. Now look at this diagram. You see that when you put out an advert, when you put out a content that talks about what you do, a lot of people will see it. Let me give you an instance. Say I'm selling women products, women between the ages of 18 and 30. If I put up a content about this, all form of people will see it. Men will see it, women will see it, children will see it. But the particular people that I'm interested in is this age bracket. Now, from leads, they now move to prospects. Prospects are probably people that fit into this age bracket that really need what I'm selling. Now, out of this prospect, you begin to hear some people saying it's so expensive. Some people saying, "Oh, I'll get back to you." Some people saying, "I cannot afford this now." You know, all sorts of English. But inside this prospect, you also see people that say, "Please take my money, give me." And these are paying customers. So that is stage 3. Paying customers become 10. So you see that there were 100 prospects, but there are 10 people that are agreeing to pay. What happens to the remaining 90? This is where most businesses lose money because they do not even know they are even losing money. All right. So the other diagram explains in detail. At the top, you get attention. When you've posted your content, you see people that are interested. How much? How much? How much? You now see people that have the desire. Please, can I pay small? Oh, can I pay immediately? Oh, can I pay tomorrow? Oh, can I make an initial deposit? And then you see people that are doing action where the money lands. Now, this is what a funnel looks like, and we'll be giving you a basic funnel flow. The top of the funnel is a lead magnet. In case you don't know what a lead magnet is, a lead magnet is a freebie. It could be a checklist, it could be a guide, it could be a video that attracts your ideal customer. You put out a lead magnet. You tell people that, "Oh, if you want this product, I have done a 5-step skincare routine for anybody to do," and then they'll get a beautiful skin. Now people say, "Please give me. You tell them, "Send, give me." When they send "give me," guess what? You now send them to your landing page. Your landing page is where you now take their email address, you take their phone number, and when you take their phone number and take their email address, remember, you are not even there. You set up this system to take their email address, to take their phone number, and then they can now get that 5-page or 5 steps care routine. But guess what also happens? Your automated email sequence would already start working. We'll send them an email. You might set it to send them an email every day for the next 5 days. What this email does is that it will keep reminding them that, "Oh, have you read it? Oh, do you know that you need to take a step forward? Oh, do you know that you can buy this?" Oh, you see that this way the person will not forget about you, and they might eventually make up their mind to buy from you. Okay, so this is what a funnel does, as opposed to, "Oh, I sell this thing, some people come, I cannot afford it. Oh yeah, now later now." When they now can afford it, that day you are not in the mood to post, and they will not see you, and they will not buy from another person. You see how this thing works? You see why a funnel is really, really important, because a funnel will help you to stop chasing leads. Instead, you start nurturing them on autopilot. So imagine that you are nurturing 10,000 people in a month. you will know that every month at least 100 will buy, every month at least 200 will buy, and you are not even doing extra. It's still the same people that saw your stuff before. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this. Right now, these are the type of funnels that work. There's a lead generation funnel where you give out a free resource. There's a webinar funnel where you teach about the problem and then you sell the solution. There's a discovery funnel where you talk about something and you tell people to call you, to book a call so that you can know how it is. This mostly work for professionals like doctors and people that they don't have a one size fits all solution. So people come to you and say, oh doctor, this is my own problem, and then you fix it for them. You charge them, of course. A sales page funnel where you have a sales page and this. So all these funnels can work for different businesses. There's no business that cannot have a funnel. You just need to know the right funnel to put, right? Now, to build your funnel, you don't need to be a tech savvy, or you don't need to be a tech genius. You don't even need to spend a fortune. In fact, you don't need to spend any money at all at the beginning. These tools here are free to begin with. To build a landing page, to start an email automation, to have a scheduler, and then to track your leads. You don't need to pay anything. Just start with one tool and don't overcomplicate it. So we're getting to the end of this. How to get started, step by step. You identify your offer. What are you selling? What is your service? What is your product? You create a landing page, and I've given you the tools that you can use to create a landing page. You add a lead magnet to your landing page. You set up automated email. You drive traffic, period. That's all you need to know. You also need to understand that funnels help you create freedom and focus. You don't need to be tech savvy. Small, simple steps can equal to big wins. So finally, let's get you moving forward. After all this talk, I would help you. It would be wrong for me not to give you a way to get this started. I mean, you don't want to do any other thing until you've set up your first funnel. So, number one, you can book a session with me, strategy session. You see, I will help you build or fix your sales funnel. You may already have something working for you. I can look at it with you, do something, just find a way to optimize it, because I'm sure business grows and you need to get more support as you grow. So one of the things you get here is get personalized support. You can ask me questions. I can be with you all through the way until we make sure that your funnel is working as it should. You get step-by-step clarity. Maybe you're using the wrong funnel, that's why you're not getting the results you want. I'll help you implement, not just show you. I'll help you implement the right funnel for your business. And then I noticed something else. Business owners always, especially small business owners, you need tools for creating content. You need tools for automation and all. I have a community that you can now meet other business owners that you can basically share subscription cost with. For instance, the pro version of CapCut is at the time of recording this video is 9,999 naira. There's a new one that just came up, the standard version, that's about 6,000, but the pro is still better because it has more features. So as a small business owner, you can pair up with two other business owners, split the fee, and then voila, you get an access to CapCut Pro. Canva also is a beautiful tool. You can do amazing designs without calling a graphic designer. You can also do, I tell business owners, right, forget about crack. All these crack things, you will not get the best out of it. So it's better you pay with some other people and get the best. Now, let's say you don't want to work with me one-on-one, you don't want to be in my community, you definitely don't want step-by-step clarity, you don't need my support. That is fine. You can start your funnel now with the deal it yourself kit that I've put together. I also put a walkthrough video that will help you set up your own funnel. This is now me setting up your funnel with you and giving you email templates, giving you setup guide and all those things. Remember, when you also book a session with me, you get this as an additional bonus for during our session, but then you get it more personalized. Okay, so whichever option you choose, just take action today. Your funnel won't build itself, and take action, help your business grow. If you need more business consultations, you need something that is not already covered here, then you can send me a WhatsApp message. But until then, stay blessed.